when I try to explain to somebody how an advertising channel that seems to be delivering the best ROI may actually be a complete waste, I get puzzled looks. And the best way I've found to turn those puzzle looks into an aha moment is by giving this example. So I'm going to give it to you. So imagine this offline example where you want to give people flyers to be distributed in the street to drive people to your coffee shop, right? Each flyer carries a discount and has the name of the person that distributed the flyer on it. So the way to measure success is to count the amount of flyers that each person has delivered to the cashier, right? You see the results and you see there's this one distributor, let's call him John, that is very successful. You know, you count the flyers and the cashiers have most of the flyers delivered by John. So you keep giving John more and more budget because he continues to be the one that delivers the biggest discounts. But what if John was just delivering the flyers to the people that are already in the queue to get the coffee inside the coffee shop? You would have wasted all those discounts, right? Because you would be giving them to someone who was going to buy that coffee anyway, and maybe they did so because their cousin told them your coffee was great, or they saw the sign in the bus stop, or they were simply walking by on the street. Now this is very easy to see in the physical world, of course, because the cashier would simply see John delivering the flyers and stop him. But things are a little bit more complicated in the virtual world. Now, there is something that works both in the physical and in the virtual world, which is measure and look at what happens in your coffee shop while John is working versus when John is not there. That's how you measure the incremental value that John is bringing to the table, which in this case is none. So way too often this goes unnoticed, even for organizations that are really ROI obsessed. And what's worse, sometimes it is noticed, but hey, it's easier to pretend that the results of those actions were great.